Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make double chocolate mint cookies. So let's go! First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Here are the ingredients that you will need. 1/3 cup white granulated sugar, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup of softened butter, and I like this salted, 2 room temperature eggs, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup Hershey's dark cocoa, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and here's where you can go crazy. We're going to add all different kinds of chocolate chips. These are the dark chocolate chips. You're going to need milk chocolate chips, mint chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and you can also add white chocolate chips. First, you're going to add your 1 cup of softened butter. Next, you're going to add 1 cup packed dark brown sugar. And then you're going to add 1/3 cup granulated white sugar. Then you're going to mix this together really well until it's light and fluffy. Next, you're going to add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and then we're going to add 1 egg at a time. Make sure these are room temperature. I didn't have room temperature, so I just take them out of the fridge and you put them in a bowl of warm water and they will come to room temperature pretty quickly. Make sure you blend after each egg. Now just mix this together really well. Okay, now this is the really fun part. You can add whatever combination of chocolate chips that you like. I actually added some white ones in today. I like to add the dark chocolate, semi-sweet, and the mint. If you want it really, really fudgy, leave out the white chocolate chips. Or if you don't want mint that day, add everything else but the mint. So just measure with your heart and use whatever chocolate chips that you desire that day. My favorite is dark chocolate, semi-sweet, a little bit of milk chocolate, and the mint. Next, I'm going to use a medium cookie scoop, and then we're going to put 12 on each cookie sheet. Make sure you line it with parchment paper and make sure you leave enough space, about an inch between each cookie, so that they can spread a little bit. Now you're going to cook these in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. After you remove them from the oven, let them sit on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes before you scoop them onto a cooling rack. These cookies are so chocolatey, fudgy, minty, delicious. They are just the right amount of chewy. They are so good. You will not regret making these. So thank you so much for joining me in my video today, and let me know if you try these cookies down in the comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that little notification button, and then you won't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.